Ayden. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing
magic science.
I am a wizard and he is a scientist. Let's open this up.
The easiest. This is the magic wand.
So you can do this for things like the wizard wand, the magic hat, the fizzy frenzy, hocus pocus powder, frothing color changing potion, test tube crystal ball, magic wand lava, flourishing fizz, and the glow in the dark bubbling potion.
Glow in the dark bubbling potion.
All you will need is citric acid, baking soda, zinc sulfide, warm water, and a dark room. And our test tubes and medium scoop. First, you fill each test tube with 1/3 of water. Oh, here's the 1/3 cup of water.
And here's more. We add 2 scoops of baking soda, 1 test scoop.
Add 2 scoops of citric acid to the second tube.
We are putting zinc sulfide. I can't say this word. So let's put it in. Like a lemonade when you drink it. Oh yeah, we did.
But you can't drink it.
You can.
No, you can't.
That's not, what is it? What is it?
It's not juice.
Yes, it is. Okay, next step now.
So now we turn off the lights and put 1 test tube in the other, and let's see it glow.
Let's get ready for glow magic.
Let's glow. I wasn't expecting that. I'm glowing. I guess we didn't mix it up enough. Let me just shake it up a bit. So that was a fail. The camera that we were using didn't pick up the glow. We're gonna do another video and we're gonna try this science kit again.
Then the thing just exploded up and my glass got broke. That really broke, but that was awesome.
Yes.
When it blowed up. Subscribe and comment below.
Thanks for watching our video.
See you later.
Bye.